Hi everyone, I'm going to start by creating a simple bar graph for task 1. So I'm just going to open that up in SPSS. I'm going to hit Graphs, Chart Builder, hit OK. Then over here I'm going to hit Simple Bar, drag that over there. For the x-axis you want to use your categorical variable, so I'm going to do drug. And then for the y-axis, I'm going to start with the Beck Depression inventory score for Sunday. I'm going to go ahead and hit display error bars, hit OK. And then this is my first graph, first simple bar graph. I'm going to go ahead and create another one for the other variable. So I'm going to hit reset, simple bar, drag drug to x-axis, and then do the Beck Depression inventory score for Wednesday on the y-axis instead. I'm going to hit display error bars, hit OK. And here is my second one. Okay, and then for task 2, I'm going to create a clustered bar graph. So I'm going to open that up in SPSS. Going to go to Graphs again, hit Chart Builder, hit OK. This time I'm going to click on Clustered Bar. I'm going to drag that over here. I'm going to put the categorical variable gender on the x-axis, and then the categorical variable type of name on this clustered on x, and then I'm going to put the score on the y-axis. And then I'll hit display error bars again. I'm going to hit OK. And then this is my graph for that one. Okay, and then I'm going to compute a new variable for dataset 2. So I'm going to go over to transform, compute variable. I'm going to name this variable mean treatment. Let's see. And then I'm going to click statistical, double click on mean. So this first question mark that's highlighted, I'm going to double click on my first variable, baseline. I'm going to double click on the second question mark and replace it with tongue pulling. Then to add my other two variables, I'm going to add a comma. Click that one, another comma, click that fourth variable, and then hit OK. And then here is my new set of means. So then I'm going to create a simple bar graph for these as well. So I'm going to hit Graphs, Chart Builder, hit OK. I'm going to drag simple bar over here. I'm going to click on the first variable and then highlight all of them and drag those over to my y-axis, hit OK. Over here on my x-axis, I'm going to go ahead and label it as type of treatment. Double check that it saved it. And then I'm also going to display error bars. And then I'll hit OK. And here is my simple bar graph for this one as well.